In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix FaceTime being grayed out in iPhone settings. This can be a frustrating issue, but with a few simple steps, we can get your FaceTime up and running again in no time. Let's start with checking the screen time restrictions. Sometimes certain settings can inadvertently restrict access to apps like FaceTime. Head to your iPhone settings and then navigate to screen time. Once there, look for content and privacy restrictions. Under allowed apps, you want to ensure that FaceTime and your camera are both enabled. This step is crucial because if either of these is disabled, it can result in FaceTime being grayed out. Now, for those of you who have work or school issued devices, you might want to check for any restrictions profile that could be affecting FaceTime. This can often be the case in environments where devices are managed remotely. Go to Settings, then General, followed by VPN and Device Management. Here, you're looking for any configuration profiles that might disable FaceTime. If you spot any that are unnecessary, consider removing them, but proceed with caution, especially if you're on a shared or managed device. Next, let's ensure that FaceTime is toggled on in your settings. This is a step that's often overlooked. Go to Settings, scroll down to find Apps, and then select FaceTime. Make sure it's switched on. This simple toggle can sometimes be the very solution to the problem. An often recommended step is to check if your device is running the latest iOS version. Apple frequently releases updates that fix bugs and improve system performance. Navigate to Settings, then General, and click on Software Update to see if an update is available. If there is, go ahead and install it. After you have made these changes, it's a good idea to restart your device to let everything settle in. Simply power off your iPhone, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. This can help apply any changes more effectively and is sometimes the simplest fix. Finally, if your FaceTime is still grayed out even after trying these steps, you might need to reset all settings. Don't worry, this won't delete your personal data, but it will reset network settings such as Wi-Fi passwords. Go to Settings, then General, and hit Reset, followed by Reset All Settings. This option is like a last resort that often does the trick. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with FaceTime being grayed out on your iPhone. If the problem persists, contacting Apple support might be the next best step. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating through these simple yet effective solutions.